Hello everyone, this is Joe. This video will unbox the smoke detector camera. Smoke detector camera is installed on the ceiling, the same as the smoke detector, but there's no smoke detect function. It's only the camera hitting a dummy housing. The smoke detector camera can create an advantage for the business owner to investigate a loss prevention case, such like the inventory shrinking or business thief. Okay, now let's open up, see what we have in the box. This is the quick guide. In the power adapter. This is the 10-meter extension cable and one tester cable. We need the tester cable. So the 10-meter extension cable allows us to put the camera a little bit far away from the installation point. Okay, now this is the camera. The camera uses pinhole length. It's the small one, around 3.5 millimeter. Also, the shooting angle is fixed, which means we need to find the right precision to install the camera. Otherwise, the camera may shoot into the wrong direction. We cannot adjust the camera shooting direction later. Okay, now we have 3 connectors. One for power, another is for the internet cable, this one, internet cable. And the last one is the RCA connector, which means we can connect the camera to a microphone, but just want to remind, recording audio is totally illegal in business environment. Okay, now let's open up the camera. This is the antenna. So the camera also can use Wi-Fi. We can connect the camera to our Wi-Fi network. And one reset button. We will need this reset button when we forget the password. Press the reset button, it can clean up all the settings in the camera. This is the IR cut filter. It's important for the night vision. It will cut the infrared on day and keep the infrared at night. But there's no infrared LED installed because keeping the LED inside will make the camera very hot and shorten the use life. We can use the external LED lens, such like this one. Also, the camera can see the infrared in the scene. If you have installed the infrared conventional camera in the scene, the camera can see it. Still the last one. The last one is SD card slot. So we are going to install the SD card and record the video into the camera. This SD card is 128 gigabytes. We push the SD card and we hear small click sounds. Then the install is complete. Okay. Now we close the. Now let's power the camera and connect the camera to the router. We will test the camera using the PC software. Of course, the camera also supports the apps. Okay, we don't need this. We will hear 2 click sounds, means the camera boots up complete. Now we can search. Now let's connect the camera to the PC software. Click search. Now the PC software will discover the camera. Add the camera to the software. This is live now. We will port to the full screen and see a few seconds live. Okay, that's all. Be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can post in the comment section below. If you have any further question, you can follow us on some social media. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.